How will it feel if you had your desire right now? I want to ask you, what do you want? What do you really want? Okay, now that you are clear in what it is you really want, now just assume that you already have your desire right now. Now, how are you feeling right now? How are you feeling? Are you feeling grateful? Are you feeling secure? Are you feeling at peace? Let me know in the comments below. How are you feeling now that you have your desires? Now, here's the good news. Now that you're clear in what it is you want, you know how you are feeling, all you do now is just remain faithful to this new mindset. Because you now know that, oh, I am the person who already has my desire and I feel grateful. Now feel like this right now and remain faithful to this feeling. Now let's just say, for example, if you go back to your old self, that's fine, you're human. You don't have to beat yourself up, you're human. Just make sure you go back to your new mindset because you now know exactly how it is you feel. And when you remain faithful to this, your 3D reality, which is your external reality, will automatically reflect your new mindset. Do you know why? Because your external world is just a reflection of your internal world, which is your mindset. So now you have to ask yourself, what is your current mindset? What is your current mindset? If you are not sure what your current mindset is, have a look at your results. Have a look at your health. Have a look at your relationships. Have a look at your bank account. Have a look at your business. It will tell you exactly what your current mindset is. Now, the good news is, if you are not happy with those results, you can change it right now by applying the law of assumption. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is a powerful tool that allows you to manifest any desire. And how you use the law of assumption is just by being clear in what it is you want and accept and assume that you already have your desire right now. So for example, if my desire is to earn $10,000, I have to assume that I already have it right now. So I have to see it in my bank account, in my mind, remain faithful to that, ask myself, okay, now that I have $10,000, how does it make me feel? I feel so secure, I feel free, and I feel grateful. I now remain faithful to this new mindset, this new story, this new assumption. My 3D will then automatically reflect my new mindset. My job is not to worry about the how. No. My job is to enjoy the now. So how do I enjoy the now? I am grateful for my desires right now, and I'm grateful for what I see around me. I'm grateful for my phone. I'm grateful for my cat. I'm grateful for my clothes. I'm grateful for water, grateful for food. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for the clients I got today. I'm grateful for the money. So that's how you enjoy the now. You are grateful for what you have right now. And gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership, because you can only say thank you for something that is happening to you or that has happened to you. When you say thank you for something, it means that you already have it. So how you remain faithful is by saying, thank you, God, and so it is. And if you're an entrepreneur and you are struggling financially and you're feeling stuck and you're struggling with limiting beliefs, self-doubt, imposter syndrome, you can book a free mindset call with us where we will find out exactly why are you stuck. Because as an entrepreneur, you're supposed to thrive, not survive. That's right. You're supposed to thrive.